In today's video, I am going to show you how to recover your deleted chats on WhatsApp without backup. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. The method I am going to show you to recover your deleted messages on WhatsApp is very easy. And most importantly, you do not have to install any application to recover your deleted chats on WhatsApp. And even if you don't have a backup, then there is nothing to worry about. So all you have to do is to long press on this WhatsApp's logo and go to app info. Now go to storage and cache. First click on this clear cache option and then click on clear storage. Once you have done that, close settings and open your file manager. Go to all files and then go to internal storage. Now click on this Android option. Go to media. Scroll down and here you will see the option com.whatsapp. So click on it. Then open WhatsApp. Go to databases. Here you will see a lot of files. Basically, these are all your deleted messages that are stored on WhatsApp. So you have to select all these files. Click on copy. Go back to the previous folder and then go to backups. Now what you need to do is to paste all those files here. And that's it. Once all these files are pasted here, your deleted chats on WhatsApp will be recovered without backup. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.